issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 6:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, September 5th, 2014. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Watford, Pinery Park, eastern Lambton County, and Sarnia, Petrolia, western Lambton County,